Good morning, students, and welcome to your English class. Today, we will learn about preposition. Children, preposition is a word that tells about the position of a noun. It tells that where an object or person is. Let's see some examples. Look at these pictures and tell about position of nouns. Where is the cat in this picture? Right. The cat is under the chair. Where is the book in this picture? Yes, the book is on the table. Where is the toy in this picture? Good job! The toy is in the box. Children, some commonly used prepositions are in, on, under, behind, beside, above. Children, now you can make more prepositions words. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.